Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. One of the most dreaded statements that we hear as new business developers is, I gave your name to someone. As a new business developer, you think to yourself, what do I do with that? Do I just sit by the phone and wait for it to ring? The fact is that when our centers of influence, our referral partners, give us a referral, it is much better for us when they make an introduction to us. Just giving out our name to someone is not a referral. It's not even helpful. And yet the person who does that thinks that they are helping because they're giving out the name. The challenge that what happens, at least what I find, is the person who got my name doesn't ever call me because they're too busy to call me. And it's awkward for them. They think to themselves, what am I supposed to say? Hi, Dr. Jean, so-and-so gave me your name and number. It's like a cold call for them. So what do we do to help our referral partners get over just giving the name out? Well, the first thing we can do is help coach our referral partners into what we need to do. Meaning, the best way to give a referral to me is to make an introduction. And I promise you that I will make you look good and I will not be pushy, salesy, and aggressive. One of the things that I have found is that when people just give out my name, they never call because they're too busy or they feel really awkward in calling me, just because that's what happens when I get someone's name and number. I have to have the fortitude to do that. And when you say that to a center of influence or referral partner, they're going to go, oh, or they're going to say, I can't do that. And when they say they can't do that, then ask them what makes them say that. Because at the end of the day, maybe they're not the right referral partner. So for this week, as you are wandering through your new business development life, notice what your referral partners are doing. Are they giving you direct referrals? And are they warm enough that you could close them in 1 or 2 meetings? Or do you need to do some coaching with your centers of influence to help them get to the point where they're giving you the referrals that can help them and help you? And of course, help the referral person as well. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen, and if you would like to schedule a free coaching session around how to coach your referral partners, feel free to click on the link in the email or in the captions. Also, if you have a question that you want to ask or a topic that you'd like me to talk about, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.